Romanus Odhiambo nyuma ya bodi ya chukuru EU kuga Odhiambo na remene ngugi yawe ta VC wa chukuru EU. Kuringana na riboti ni ati arito baba barienda Odhiambo etikirwe gutungata mwanka mweri jua mugwanja riria nirio athiri kwebera ngugine na kuana kunogoka. Arito bane baingire barabara nene ya Meru kwerekera maua na kuangaratania miango ya ugendi na ukamati gwa Kagita. Bagishietia kuriti ya miango ya mathomo chukuru mwankariria mwarimu oju agachokua ngugine. Kuruki ni bathombete seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi bakiuga niwe kaumoka Professor Romanus Odhiambo kweberwa obichini Kagita kawe ka utungata gatethiri. Riboti nkuruki iriuga kuma kiumia kethuru aritani bune bakinyire ikinyare mwe nyuma bakienda VC Odhiambo athamwa na mwankana ndi batira shokera miango ya mathomo onde arito baba temukana jua mathaa 72 gushokera kuritana. Andams Muturia wa Dereja arina shonkuruki.
Uno kwa ndene skuru wa Meru University Students nyuma tutabadhukure kwamba kuithira kigoma gitumi na sababu ni Professor Romanus Odhiambo University Students kwamba kuithira kithamu na kuithira gikwo ruthoro lazima. Wake na muthuri bombete kuthaka menene seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi urbakuwa no njara yake ombete kwithira kionekana kiri kuthamwa kwa vice chancellor wa thukuru nei.
Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, attention! Attention! We are here today. Yes! We are demonstrating. Yes! We have suspended peace. Yes! Until we see our VC back into the office. Yes! This is number one.
And I want to point a message to the Honorable Senator, Deputy Speaker Sir, Honorable Kature. We are unhappy as comrades, we are unpleased, and we are angry at you. We want you to come out clear and withdraw the statement. Kadure went to the media stations and claimed that both the staff and the students are unpleased to the VC. We want to say that that is null and void.
The other day, we heard the senator of this county going out and making noise that comrades have been complaining. We have to go and apologize. No comrade has complained. No comrade has complained. He must apologize. The senator of Meru County, I don't know his name. He must come out clearly and apologize for cheating on behalf of comrades. He is not the SAMU chair. If he wants to be a SAMU representative, he should come, we vote him.
Kurukiari tuyombete kwithira bakirana na tongore bari toba skuru araba kwa kinyo bombete kwithira ikura mubukona na gutira bate kumba kwithira kari mathina kumba kwithira kibaro mero ntuko.
We have been waiting for SAMU to declare their stand as far as the issue of the VC is concerned. And we are not seeing them paying keen attention to this issue. I hereby want to declare that we are not going to wait for them. And that SAMU council must go with immediate
that the student leaders divided and some have been pocketed to ensure that they sacrifice the innocent comrades. Comrades power. We are not going to allow. We ought not to allow. And we will not allow. We have the student leaders. We won't allow other people, other few individuals.
We have been very peaceful for the last 5 years. But the lecturers have been dancing and making noise around the campus each and every semester. And I want to say, though some of those lecturers are not attending classes, their work is to wait when we are approaching cards, when we are approaching exams. They come and begin making noise. They are wasting our time in the campus. We are sending them a warning. Number 3.
kiriana na Vice Chancellor Mwatiri Professor Charity Gichukio urarombere kwithira kithuro kwatila kanya ka Professor Romanus Odhiambo bagiwa batena wetikino na baraba kwenda ni nyuma ntuko mugwanja Professor Romanus Odhiambo mbekwithira gichoko thukuru kithira tiubo weto tonto bokomba kwithira bogita na mbere gire skuru Professor Romanus Odhiambo akade tumbete kwithira gichokwa.
We do not want anything like an acting VC. All we need is power. We need Romanus back. We need Romanus back with immediate effect. As we get into class on Monday, we must see the VC in the office. Failure to win, we will suspend all classes. And some who also, if they don't want to declare their stand, they have been suspended.
The council, an ultimatum of 2 hours. If they don't come out clear with a verdict of our VC, and if our VC will not have resumed the office in the next 2 hours, we are going to declare that there will be no peace. We are going to demonstrate and we will not promise peace. Comrade power. We want to send a message to the council. They must tell us VC has been in this institution for only 5 years. And in those 5 years, we have seen a lot. The population of students in the Meru University has increased by 110%. We want to tell the council to come and tell the entire nation that the VC, where he has not performed, the VC has led to infrastructure in the school. He has led to development, research methodologies. He has even bought an ambulance for this institution. Kature, you Murungi, claiming that it is the responsibility of the VC to improve the Njiru market. Shame on you.
Ya kabupotia ni kinya karibanchiro na biashara omba kuthakiringa biashara irure ibombe ite kwithira kiwatambaru tobana kuona monka Professor Romanus Odhiambo mbe kwithira gichokwa orabo wite kuma Professor Romanus Odhiambo kumba kwithira kia thukuru irure nchiro mbe kwithira kurabona na kinya to kumba kwithira kiongeleka thukuru
na sisi tumeamua Romanus as for Rundi atuusi mboga na kutoka Rumano akuja watoto hawajai strike na hatutaki Meru akue VC kwa hii shule. Wa Meru waende dunia nyingine, tunataka Wanjaluo
na demokrati wa thoko entero na bato kuma twengero magambo ai kuma VC bato totona thina na biashara tieto tiendelea kama kawaida na ritobeto tokara abota sagwa inya nara metaene bariga baisasagwa na totethina nabo bato toriwa kethira Rumano ata hishi Meru University tote kwenda VC yongeno nto owa tuiketie bora manto ya kwenda Kenya.
Tangu VC Magambo aondoke tumekuwa na amani. Hakujai kuwa na demonstration nyingine isipokuwa imekuja siku ya leo. Na sisi zote tuna complain that Rumano kama hata rudi hapa Meru University, sisi hatuendelei kufanya kazi hapa, hatuuzi mboga, na hakuna hata mtu mmoja, mama mboga, hakuna mwenye atabaki hapo hata mmoja akiuza.
Umatiane mbechanda msimoturia wa Drenja.
Bwega